this is Celes, and today we are going to make ornament-shaped cards. First, we are going to use Arden's bright white texture cardstock for our card bases and the largest ornament-shaped die. From each sheet we can cut 2 card bases. For each base, we will need a piece of cardstock of 5¼ inches wide by 12 inches tall. Score at 6 inches on the longer side of the paper and then fold it. Next, place the die on the top of the folded cardstock, lining it up so the top edge of the die extends slightly beyond the fold. This way, when we run it through the machine, we will cut a shaped card base that opens instead of 2 separate ornament pieces. Look at this, our card base is ready to go. Now we grab the 8x8 vintage Christmas paper pad and choose the pattern papers we would like to use. We will also bring the second smaller ornament die. This one will be used to cut the decorative panels for the front and the interior of the card. Now grab some fold cardstock. I'm using rose gold here, and I cut a few decorative pieces from the cards using the same ornament die set, plus a tag from the Tag Essential 2 set. We will also die cut a few extra pieces using the same papers from the 8x8 paper pad that we selected for each card. Now it's time to choose our color cardstocks from Arden's premium line. They are perfect for die cutting. I will use these color papers to die cut the sentiments for each card. I am also going to use some of the leftovers white cardstock from the card bases and cut 3 white layers plus 1 color layer for each word. Now let's start assembling the card. Begin by gluing some of the decorative pieces in place and building the sentiment. When we glue all pieces together, the sentiment will look extra bold, dimensional, and nice and chunky. Take your time to do this step. Adhere the front panel of the card using 1 to 2 mm foam tape to a dimension and glue the inside panel down flat. The extra decorative detail that I have prepared is a paper rosette. For the paper rosette, you will need 2 paper strips measuring 1 and 1/8 inches tall by 7 inches wide, and you'll score them every 1/4 inch on the longer side of the paper. You can also create it with a rosette die if you have one in your stash. Glue the paper rosette in the center of the ornament and add the sentiment on the top. Now we will add the stars, popping some of them with a 2 mm foam tape for extra dimension. To add a bit of a sparkle, I added on a few color glitter gems. As a little extra detail, I added mini tags with small jewelry rings so they can hang from the card, and also you will see that I added a small baker's twine bow to each card. Our cards are all finished, and here I'm showing you 2 more versions of them. I hope you enjoyed this project and that it inspires you to make your own Christmas cards. Thank you for watching and see you next time!